My name is Dr. Marc Angerame, and I have been with Illinois Bone and Joint since 2018, and my specialty is hip and knee surgery. My philosophy is trying to keep God's parts as long as possible. If those parts fail, and it's affecting the patient's quality of life, their ability to play pickleball, golf, chase after their grandchildren, then we move into more of the surgical realm. Illinois Bone and Joint is certainly the center for musculoskeletal expertise. It is not just surgical, it's all-encompassing. What I love about orthopedics is that there's a continuity of care with the patient and their families. I grew up in a family of dentists, and that was one thing that my father always enjoyed, working and seeing families grow. I enjoy seeing them go through the stages of life, children's graduations, baptisms, even other medical issues that we can help guide patients through. Being a point person for medical care is something that I enjoy.